Hi and welcome to this week's weekly update from Flygfabriken. We received the servo motor earlier than expected. It was the right model and it fitted nice in the machine, but unfortunately it didn't solve the whole problem. So we are continuing with fault diagnosis. We are changing the encoder cable. It will be tested next week. Haven't much of hands-on progress to show you this week, so we're looking forward to the next week with some more to report, I hope. Thank you for watching and a nice weekend, and we get in touch in about a week. Thank you, bye.